Children, how's your life going? I hope that you all are enjoying your studies, your home very well, because I have noticed that now you have started responding, and I was so happy when I made call some of the students and they responded also positively. So, children, today the chapter which we are going to have from the second unit. Today we'll start the second unit, and this is the first chapter from the second unit, and the chapter name is Chess of Children, a smart move. So chess. If I ask you what is your favorite game, you may say that kho kho, kabaddi, cricket, football, gilli danda, whatever you play. So it must be your favorite game. But children, it means chess is the game by which a child or an adult can enhance his knowledge. I would say memory power उसकी बहुत अच्छी होती है, and one becomes very good at maths also, because somewhere chess increases our इंटेलिजेंसी, राइट? हमारी इंटेलिजेंसी को इंक्रीज करता है, उसको gear up करता है, right? So I would suggest you, if you are in your school, your home, you should learn how to play chess from anyone. You can Google, you can learn it from YouTube, you from your elders if they know. So this is a really very brainy game, बहुत ही दिमाग लगाने वाला गेम होता है, but it doesn't mean that no one can play it. Children cannot play it because this is the game called chess for children, right? So in इस चेस को चेस ऑफ चिल्ड्रन इसलिए कहते हैं because most of the children have become the master of it. इसमें मास्टरी करके रखी हुई है at the very young age, 6 years old, 14 years old, 12 years old. So children have proven that nothing is impossible for them. So in this chapter we are going to see that how small kids have proven and put their brain into the chess, and they have brought laurels to their countries. So let's see. In this picture, if you see a person sitting and thinking over something, and before him a board is kept, and over there क्या रखा है? चेस है, ठीक है? This is chess. So if I ask you that have you ever seen him in television, or have you ever, if you know that, you must be knowing his name also. So this is your assignment for home, that you need to find out who is he, right? Or you may get to know about this personality into this chapter. So let me start the chapter for you. When we think of chess, we think of two adults sitting opposite each other, thinking of ways and means to outsmart the other. Many people feel it's a very difficult game, but do you know that most chess players and champions start very young? Yes, of course. So, in this paragraph, if you have understood, then definitely you must have got to know that this is the game which basically played by the kids at very young age. बहुत ही छोटी उम्र से बच्चे इसको खेलना शुरू कर देते हैं. But most of the time, if I take my example, children, I also feel very much afraid of this game, because I have not played. Once I said with my cousin, so he outsmarted me, मुझे उसने हरा दिया. Then I gave up, मैंने कहा मैं नहीं खेलूँगी, right? So but don't be like me, because I know that you can do everything. When we think of chess, we think of two adults. Yes. So when we think of chess, most of the time, जब हम imagine करते हैं, we think of a situation where two persons are sitting each before each other. एक दो लोग बैठे होते हैं एक दूसरे के सामने, and they keep thinking of the ways or means to win the game or to defeat others. वो कोशिश करते हैं तरीके निकालने की, एक दूसरे को हराने की, या फिर अपने आप को जिताने की. सो आउट स्मार्ट मीन्स किसी को हरा देना, डिफीट समवन. मैनी पीपल feel it is very difficult game. Yes, as I told you that most of the people, they feel that it's very hard game, it's very tough game to understand. So generally most of the people don't like or don't play it. But do you know, but yes, you should know that the players or champions स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द वेरी यंग एज, बहुत ही कम उम्र से ये गेम, चेस गेम खेलना शुरू कर देते हैं, जो कि चैम्पियंस रह चुके लोग हैं. सो वी कांट से इट्स वेरी टफ गेम. So if a child can start from the very young age, so why can't you, why can't we, even why can't I, सब कुछ start कर सकते हैं. So yes, now the name is written Vishwanath Anand, number 2 in the world, played his first chess game at the age of 5. Yes. So children, he is from our India and he is from southern India, south की तरफ के हैं ये, and he is the second ranked player of chess. इनका सेकेंड रैंक है पूरी दुनिया में. एंड ही स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग चेस फ्रॉम हिज वेरी अर्ली एज. 5 साल के थे देन ही स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग गेम. दिस वॉज इन 1974 एंड वेन ही वन दिस championship when he was 5-year old, and it was in 1974. 1974 में he played the game. Anand's mother taught him the game and was his first opponent. Yes. So who taught him? Yeah, who taught him means he is who? He is Vishwanath Anand. Yes. So now you don't have to worry, but yes, you should know because he is somewhere a very great personality from India, and he's famous throughout the world. हमारे इंडिया को को फेम दिलाते हैं, उनका नाम करते हैं. सो वी शुड नो ईच एंड एवरी पर्सनैलिटी जो हमारी कंट्री के लिए कुछ करते हैं. येस, सो व्हाट आई वाज टेलिंग दैट हु टॉट हिम playing chess? His mother taught him. Yes, so he learned playing chess from his mother, and for the first time when he sat for playing, so his mother was his first opponent. Opponent means उनके जो विपरीत, यानी उनका जो प्रतिस्पर्धी होता है उनके साथ खेलने वाला. जब हम खेलते हैं तो सामने जो हमारे ऑपोजिट साइड में जो टीम में होता है उसको हम अपोनेंट बोलते हैं. तो इनके सामने कौन बैठा था जब ये 5 year old के थे? His mother sat to play with him. In no time he came to be called the Lightning Kid. Now, in no time, it means it took very less time to lightning to get lightened. Sorry. So इनको बहुत ज़्यादा समय नहीं लगा अपने आप को बहुत अच्छा ब्राइट प्लेयर बनाने की. This was because he made his moves with such speed. Why did it happen? Why did he become very early a champion? Because he did not give up in the childhood. उन्होंने कभी अपने आप को give up नहीं करा, हिम्मत नहीं हारी, and he kept playing and he sped up himself very fast. बहुत जल्दी अपने आप को अपनी स्पीड बढ़ाई उस चेस में अपने आप को मास्टर करने के लिए. Now, in 1987, Anand won the World Junior Championship in the Philippines, and he was the first Asian ever to do so. Now, Mr. Anand won the World Championship. So, when did he win the World Championship? Junior Championship कब इन्होंने जीती थी? When it was 1987, and he won this in Philippines. So now Philippines is a country. So there he went and he played for his country or our country, हमारी country के लिए खेला, and he won the championship, junior championship, and he was the first kid who became the champion from एशिया. अब एशिया का मतलब जिस कंटिनेंट में हम रहते हैं, हमारी कंट्री आती है, वो एशिया में आती है. ठीक है, तो एशिया के सबसे पहले जूनियर चैम्पियन बन गए हमारी कंट्री से. टेक द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वर्ल्ड. ओके children, I'm just marking it here because it's otherwise it will be so lengthy for you, right? So children, this is very motivational chapter. You should read it. And yes, now I'm going to start the activity, that is reading. So every day, not every day but alternate day, I'll give you a paragraph in your group, and you have to read that paragraph, record your voice and send it to me. Either you can send it to my personal number, or you can send it to group, right? So children, saying this, I'll wind up the I'll say bye bye. I will not wind up the class. Okay, children, bye bye. Take care.